Well, there's no sugarcoating this, but today was pretty abysmal for markets, with both the ASX 200 and the All Ords dropping 2.1%. In fact, you'd have to go back to March 2023 to find a trading day that was even worse. And it was a huge backflip from yesterday's optimism, which pushed the market to a new record high. Now, almost every stock finished lower, like the banks and businesses which deal in uranium, lithium, buy now, pay later, and pizza. But one of the rare few stocks which defied this trend was Block, after it told investors that it expects to earn more profit this year. As for why the ASX was so gloomy today, it was just following the crowd. Big losses pretty much everywhere, but Japan's Nikkei was the worst performer by far, plunging 5.8%. Basically, some figures came out in the US which showed manufacturing activity falling to an 8-month low, so quite bad. And markets are now worried that the US Fed may not be cutting interest rates quickly enough, and that too much damage has already been done to its economy. Now, here's how the rates picture is looking. The Bank of England cut rates overnight, following the Europeans a couple of months ago, while Japan actually lifted rates earlier this week. And markets are betting the Fed will definitely lift rates in September, while a rate cut for Australia might not happen until February next year. But once they do happen, markets are betting on 3 rate cuts from the Reserve Bank next year. Here's to hoping. Meanwhile, gold, oil and iron ore prices went up, and the Aussie dollar is buying 65.2 US cents. And that's finance.